Hello everybody. Welcome to the platform that will allow you to follow and be followed in your project. To log in, you will receive by email the website URL and your password. The login is your email address. When you first log in, we recommend that you change your password directly in your profile. Once you are logged in, a series of features will appear. Alerts for upcoming events and tasks, your project and coaches, and everything you do on your project will be captured in the project file. If you have, for example, done a coaching session, the only things you or your coach need to do is to make a report of the interview. To do this, click on the project, then on report, and create a report. You just have to put at least the date, the duration, pick the participants for timesheet and statistics, and make a quick report. You can also add actions in the Action tab. Another important widget is the personal agenda. The accepted events directly appears. To see all events, click on My Agenda, click on Event to accept or decline them. You also have access to documents where you will find a user guide and a link for this video. You can exchange with the community via the publication. We wish you a very successful journey on your project.